On April 25th, 2024, San Diego County Sheriff's deputies engaged in a high-risk vehicle pursuit involving a stolen 2016 silver Honda Civic in Spring Valley. The driver, later identified as Dwayne Carter, failed to comply with commands and fled from deputies, leading them on a 10-minute pursuit through residential areas. The chase ended at the Shadow Point Apartments, where Carter rammed into a structure and attempted to flee on foot. Deputies deployed specialty munitions and a canine unit to safely take him into custody. Carter sustained minor injuries during the arrest, including a dog bite and facial swelling.
Hey, someone get on the PAs. Just get on the PAs, Pete. Just go to the crossfire. I don't want you. I have a list. I got the shot.
Put your fucking hands up, driver! Put your hands up!
Okay, what do you need?
Driver, step out to your right with your hands up. Facing away from me. Do it now. Face away from me with your hands up. Get on the ground.
Face the fucking car now!
Car!
Okay, well, you guys aren't following instructions, okay?
How are we not following instructions? Nick, how are we not following instructions when the fuck Hey, y'all dumb as fuck. Y'all shut up! Like, damn, what the fuck? Stupid ass people. No, bitch, you don't know me, the fuck? You're dumb as fuck! Mind your business! You're dumb as fuck! You're dumb as fuck! Living in this broke down apartment! Shut up! The fuck? Shut up!
Is that your name? What's your name? What's your name?
First of all, my fucking
Just Carter.
I have something on your
Get in the car! Get in the car! Hey, I appreciate you guys trying to help, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, no, it wasn't a gunshot. It was a pepper ball.
Passenger, keep your hands down in the car. Put your fucking hands up. Get on your stomach. Do it now.
On the ground. On the ground now. On the ground.
Boss. 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 Somebody, Milky, grab his hand. Milky, grab his hand.
Give out your hand! Show us your fucking hand! Get off your hands now!
There's a... He's fucking creeping. Hey! Nope.
He is creeping. He is creeping.
Yep. Watch the dog. Watch the dog.
Fucking stomach!
Come on.
On your stomach!
I want to get bit.
On your stomach! Show me your fucking hand! Get your hand out! Hand out now! Hand out now! Get out your hand! Give out your hand! Give out your hand! Give out your hand! Give out your hand!
Milky, grab it. Milky, grab it.
Give out your hand! Show us your fucking hand!
The dog has it.
Get off your hands now!
Go on.
I got the cuff.
Hand out now! Hand out now!
I got the
Hand
cuff.
out now!
Give out your hand or I will hit you in the face!
There's plenty of room!
Give out your hand!
Hand out!
Oh, okay. Okay. All right, hold on. Let go of your wrist. Let go of your wrist. Well, you guys serious?
6-12-13, male detained. How's the female doing?
Hold on. Hey, get his hold his wrist. You can't get the cuff on him. You guys serious? Here. Get the second cuff off my chest. Get the second cuff off my chest. Are you guys serious?
Go on. Here.
You guys are serious?
Shut up.
You guys are serious. All right, you see? Wow. I got him, don't worry. Wow. You pistol with me. All right, hold still. You pistol with me. Right. All right, sit up.
I'm in a lot of pain!
Hey, do you want us to move you to medics? Yeah, stand
I'm
up.
in a lot of pain. Give me a second.
All right, you know.
Oh my God, bro!
Then
You
stop
see what you
screaming.
did to me, bro?
Then stop screaming.
You see what you fucking did to me? Come on, bro.
You camera?
Come on, bro. I seen your ass before, man. You fucking know me, bro. Like, you fucking shot at me and you gonna beat my ass.
And King 21 just for info. It's going to be canine contact on the male only, male driver.
Pistol with me, bro. I am a human being. I am a human fucking being, bro.
Yes or no?
I never aggressed you. I never brought aggression towards you. Why the fuck would you shoot at me, pistol with me, bang my head against the concrete floor, while punching me in the fucking ribs?
Something about
While
Daryl.
punching me in the ribs.
I didn't find any ID on him.
Sir, what's your last name? Sir?
Daryl, what's your last name?
Hey guys, don't worry about photos. I'll take care of them.
Yeah, let him know.
What's your last name, Daryl?
You got tagged
Daryl?
right here.
What's your last name, buddy?
My hand hurts.
I know, I couldn't hear you. My hearing's real bad. Carter?
There's a baggie right here. I don't know what that is.
Bonnie's getting photos right now.
Oh no,
That's
that's
a super
sock.
I hit him with it as you started to run. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Make sure you get ice, okay?
Yeah.
What's next?
CHP will get the collision.
We will get this. We'll,
But are they going to do this because this is
Private property?
Yeah. It's going to be us.
Here's my other super sock round.
It's in there?
Who had the? Who
Yeah, I
had,
have a super sock round in here.
who had pepperball?
Nobody, we were trying to get it out.
Okay.
There's my other super sock
Oh,
round.
in there, huh?
Bonnie,
Yeah.
you know the funerals? Am I trying to do the 4th of every 4th?
Yeah. That's
Oh, is it really?
Any ID for mail in here?
His name is Diego Carter.
Oh, hey, you're Dwayne Carter, right? Dwayne.
Ready? 1, rest you up.
Up on your feet. 1, 2, 3.
Yes,
Yeah, I'm gonna go. I think Milky's gonna ride in the box.
Hey,
All right.
hey, Duran. Sorry. Back up.
Back up, bitch, back up, man.
Thanks. Okay. Why do you keep leaning to your left?
My right side. Oh, can I hear me, bro?
No,
Bro, ribs hurt.
Okay.
What the fuck?
Do you feel like you can? What's up, dude?
Don't jump up my charges, bro. Don't send me away forever. Oh, my hand, please.
What's going on with your hand?
Beanbag shotgun.
Right hand.
He says it. My partner said he hit him in the lower right side of his body. He doesn't know where, but he's saying his right hand. So
He hit you in the hand?
could be.
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know, but
He is bleeding on his, from what I saw, his right pinky.
Here, put this under your tongue for me.
That could be from something else too.
I gotta check that temperature, okay? Under the tongue and close the mouth for me.